What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, man. We're gonna be analyzing this market and we're gonna be figuring out what in the world they are doing today, man. So it's the bigger time frame. As you can see, we're in a current uptrend, and right now the market is currently look like it's about to cause some pain. So if we really want to get into it, got this trend line, the market, the uptrend is bouncing off of. We could come back and touch it. But as you can see, man, this is the 1 hour candle, and they're about to push this boy down aggressively. So it looks like they're topping out, man, in this market, man. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I think they're setting up for a potential huge bull trap. So it's what we had this morning. We're gonna go to the overnight session, which was range light. So we do have this tiny range we got here. They came up here, and they never made it back to the lows of this range. So bullish imbalance. This trend line started about 7:30, so it was confirmed up here after this third swing. So this is what I saw this morning. So this is my first trade of the day where this arrow is. We got a second entry long, failed second entry short, off the moving average, looking for a new high. I got out up here, so I did not take this whole move. So this is what I saw. We were bullish, had a bullish balance, and then the market spiked. They overshot this channel, which led to a reversal. But there was no entry points here because, as you can see, there's no way you can enter. That bar is too big. You would have to go to a smaller time frame in order to be able to enter on this candle. So look at the market. It's aggressively selling off. Now we're back down to the bottom of the range. We're going to see where we go from here. So, but anyway, all right, I'm going to get back to this. So the trend line confirmed here. As you can see, this whole area was where this trend line was reacting off of the entire day. Nothing but chop from 10 o'clock all the way until 11 o'clock. They were just chopping around for a whole hour. You got to sit through this mess. So I did go short here on where is my arrow? All right, so this is my short entry right here. Second entry right here, and I did get stopped out on this trade because I went short here, because if you look at the bigger time frame, it gave you a great sell signal. So this big old rejection bar down here, you could have sold this, but it's unenterable because the bar is so big. You got to put your stop all the way up here. But this was the sign that it could have been a sell-off. Boom. They gave you a lower high beneath the moving average. Big old rejection candle. You could have easily scalped out. I got in late, obviously. But that's what they did. So all right. So overshot this channel. As you can see, they made this big trend down. They trended down, which was this big leg. They had a break and a new low, which made them, this was a 618 retracement of this entire move. Entire move down, 618 retracement, double top. And this was probably the best trade that I should have been looking for this morning, but I was still bullish at this point. So this trend line came into play after the third touch. So this is the long that I took, even though it's not a strong bar, it's an aggressive entry. If you look at a different time frame, it looks like nothing's there. But so you wouldn't have been able to enter this either. So we're looking for a new high of this trend right here, this leg up. So leg down, we got a break and a new low. Now we're looking for an attempt to make a new high, which was these higher lows. This was nothing but chop. This was uninterable. I should have been trading this at all. This was the retest of yesterday's highs, this area right here. So double topped up here, you could have entered that one. As you see, they're struggling to go higher, but they never made it to the bottom of this range, the overnight session, which was down here. Right, so this is the range of the overnight session. All right, so range bound, and we started this uptrend, and then after several attempts to go higher, they finally came down and sold off, which is where we are right now. Though it's not looking good on the bigger time frames, the higher time frames are telling us that this could be aggressive push down for this market. I'm gonna look at the bigger time frame, and as you can see, the candle is progressively getting bigger and bigger and bigger out of this range. So if it falls out the bottom, we could be coming to this trend line, but how we're looking on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like this could be a sell-off, aggressive push down for this market, man. So just be careful trading this market. These are the 3 trades I took. First one, I got stopped on my second one. This is my long trade, which confirmed this trend line. So yeah, man, just be careful trading this market, and analyzing market structure is not difficult. The overshoots lead to reversals, and support is a buying opportunity, resistance is a selling opportunity. So it's reverse of our natural instinct. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated on this market, and crypto is going to fall as well. Crypto is looking horrible right now. So there's no telling where the bottom is for Bitcoin, but this market could come around to 33, 3400. I'm looking for a bounce around the 200 moving average down there somewhere, but just be careful, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like and subscribe to the channel so we can keep promoting this content, man, and I'll see you tomorrow. Out.